Hey everyone! Today let's talk about a powerful tool for building relationships and driving sales in affiliate marketing, and that is email marketing. So what is email marketing? Email marketing is the practice of using emails to communicate with your audience, build trust, and promote products or services. For affiliate marketers, it's a way to keep in touch with the potential customers and guide them toward making purchases through your affiliate links. Why is email marketing important? Email marketing is one of the most effective ways to convert leads into sales because it allows you to build relationships. You can engage with your audience with helpful tips, updates, and personalized content. Stay top of mind. Regular emails keep your brand in front of your subscribers. Promote products. Share exclusive deals or recommendations with affiliate links directly in your emails. How does it work? Here's a simple breakdown. Create a lead magnet. Offer something valuable like a free ebook or a discount in exchange for email addresses. Build your email list. Use opt-in forms on your website or social media to collect subscribers. Send value-packed emails. Share useful content, tips, and occasional product promotions that align with your audience's needs. Include CTAs or call to actions. Add clear, clickable affiliate links for readers to take action. Quick tip: always focus on providing value in your emails. Nobody likes constant sales pitches, but if you build trust by helping your audience, they're more likely to click on your affiliate links when the time is right. So that's a quick overview of email marketing and why it's such a vital tool for affiliate marketers. Ready to learn more? Check out my other videos for tips on growing your online business and building a sustainable income.